All right, we got a beauty right here. Wildcat 1. It's got 3 Furrion ACs on the roof. This thing is a full winter package. But look at this. Ooh, baby. Come on. Sofa sleeper, fireplace, pantry, island kitchen, recliners. But look at this. Oh my gosh. You got and your own AC. Look at that room. Oh my gosh. All right, look at this hallway. This is a big trailer. King bedroom with washer and dryer connections. Look at this thing. Look at this. 3 ACs. This trailer is super cold. Oh Lord.